Can I show you 5 AI businesses that are already earning people $10,000 a month, $30,000 a month, and even over $80,000 per month? And more importantly, can I show you the exact tools and workflows so you can try these yourself? That's the challenge I've set for this video. Set expectations. Real examples, real platforms, no fake screenshots, no get-rich-quick hype. AI is just leverage. By the end of this video, you'll know which AI business fits your skills, your personality, and your risk tolerance. How to think about AI businesses. Explain briefly. AI removes time and amp. Cost barriers. Businesses now scale faster. Speed and GT. Perfection niches win. The people winning with AI aren't smarter. They're faster. AI language lessons. What it is. AI-generated language lessons. Podcasts uploaded to YouTube. Focus on conversational English. Proof, new channels. Millions of views. Monetized quickly. $3, $8. RPM. Estimated income. 30K plus per month. 100K plus total per channel possible. Tools and AMP. Workflow. Tool 1. Wondercraft. Create podcast scripts. Enable conversation mode. Natural AI voices. Steps. Create script. Enable convo mode. Generate dialogue. Edit. Lightly. Export audio. Cost. $2.50 per episode. Tool 2. Nano Banana Pro. Gemini. Create podcast host images. Free trial available. Tool 3. Clipchamp. Upload audio. Add host image. Auto captions. Export. This business used to cost thousands. Now it costs a few dollars. Who this is for beginners. Non-technical content-focused patient builders. AI. UGC influencers. What it is. AI. Influencers promote products. Organic TikTok traffic. Monetized via TikTok. Shop. Affiliate. Shopify, dropshipping, proof, new accounts, 20K plus in under 2 weeks, viral product videos, tools, and AMP. Workflow, Tool 1. Nano Banana Pro, generate influencer images, use real product photos as reference tool. 2. VEO3 or Kling, animate images, short, UGC-style clips, costs, $0.40 per video. Monetization options. Option A. TikTok. Shop requires 1K followers. Country restrictions. Option B. Shopify dropshipping. Full control. Global tools. Build your store. AI Shopify. $1 month promo. Auto DS. Automation. Who this is for. Trend-focused TikTok users, fast experimenters, niche AI novels. What changed? Writing used to be slow. Now AI writes fast. Niches are profitable. Proof. Ice hockey romance. $1,300. $1,700 per day. Amazon. KDP free publishing tools. And AMP. Workflow. Tool 1. Perplexity. Find underserved niches. Reader. Demand research. Tool 2. Claude Plot. Chapters. Emotional writing. Tool 3. Kindle. Create free formatting. Publish. To Amazon. Tool 4. Nano Banana. Pro book covers. Who this is. For writers. Introverts. Long-term thinkers. AI. Print on demand. What it is. AI-designed products sold on Etsy. Amazon. Fulfilled automatically. Proof. Viral meme shirts. 80K, 100K month stores. Tools and AMP. Workflow Etsy. Amazon. Spot trends. ChatGPT. Niche brainstorming. Nano Banana Pro. Generate designs. Canva. Pro background removal. Upscaling. Printify. Printful fulfillment. Who this is for. Designers, meme lovers, passive income seekers. Choose one. AI videos. What it is. Viral comparison videos. Which would you choose? Massive engagement proof. 100M plus.